Artificial intelligence is a broad field of computer science focused on creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, language understanding, and interaction. Here are some key aspects and types of AI. Key aspects of AI. Machine learning. A subset of AI that involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. There are several types of machine learning. Supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data. Unsupervised learning, the model works with unlabeled data and tries to find hidden patterns. Reinforcement learning, the model learns by interacting with an environment, receiving rewards or penalties for actions. Neural networks. A set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brain that are designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through a kind of machine perception, labeling, or clustering of raw input. Natural language processing. A field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. It involves understanding, interpreting, and generating human language. Computer vision. A field of AI that enables computers to interpret and make decisions based on visual data from the world. This includes tasks like image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition. Robotics. The design, construction, and use of robots to perform tasks. AI plays a crucial role in enabling robots to understand and interact with their environment. Expert systems. AI programs that mimic the decision-making abilities of a human expert. They use a set of rules and logic to make inferences and solve complex problems. Types of AI. Narrow AI. AI systems that are designed and trained for a specific task. They can perform a single task or a narrow range of tasks very well but lack generalization capabilities. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, and recommendation systems on streaming platforms. General AI. Hypothetical AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks at a level comparable to human intelligence. General AI remains a theoretical concept and has not yet been achieved. Artificial superintelligence. A stage where AI surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. It is a theoretical level of AI that could potentially perform any intellectual task that a human being can. ACI is the subject of much speculation and ethical debate. Applications of AI. Healthcare, diagnosing diseases, personalized treatment plans, drug discovery. Finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, risk management. Transportation, autonomous vehicles, traffic management, route optimization. Customer service, chatbots, sentiment analysis, customer interaction automation. Entertainment, content recommendation, game development, interactive storytelling. AI is transforming many aspects of life and industry by enabling new levels of automation, efficiency, and innovation. As the field advances, it continues to open up new possibilities and challenges in ethics, employment, and governance.